Delicious caramel apple coffee cake recipe, easy and irresistible. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an absolutely scrumptious treat in store for you, a mouthwatering caramel apple coffee cake. This delectable dessert combines the rich flavors of caramel and tart apples with the comfort of a classic coffee cake. It's perfect for cozy mornings, afternoon snacks, or even as a dessert for special occasions. So, let's get baking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 coffee lover. For the coffee cake, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream or Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup milk. For the apple filling, 2 cups peeled and diced apples, Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work well, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup caramel sauce, homemade or store-bought. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup cold unsalted butter, cubed. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 9-inch square baking pan with parchment paper for easy removal. Prepare the apple filling. In a bowl, combine the diced apples, granulated sugar, and ground cinnamon. Toss until the apples are well coated with the mixture. Make the streusel topping. In a separate bowl, mix the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Add the cubed cold butter and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to blend until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Set the streusel aside. Prepare the coffee cake batter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. In another bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Mix in the vanilla extract. Now, alternate adding the dry ingredients and the sour cream, or Greek yogurt, into the wet ingredients. Start and end with the dry ingredients. Add the milk and mix until just combined. Assemble the coffee cake. Spread half of the coffee cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Top with the apple filling, spreading it evenly. Drizzle half of the caramel sauce over the apples. Add the remaining coffee cake batter on top of the apple layer, smoothing it out gently. Finally, sprinkle the streusel topping generously over the entire surface. Bake and enjoy. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the caramel apple coffee cake cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then, drizzle the remaining caramel sauce over the top for an extra touch of sweetness. Slice and serve warm, and watch the delight on everyone's faces as they savor this heavenly treat. There you have it, the perfect caramel apple coffee cake recipe. Whether you're a coffee lover or not, this dessert will surely win your heart with its delightful combination of flavors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes and hit the like button if you enjoyed this one. Happy baking, and until next time, bon appetit!
Introducing the Christmas Skeleton Beer Pint, a unique and festive addition to your holiday celebrations. This pint glass features a playful combination of a Christmas hat, skull, and skeleton design. With the quirky quote, "When dead you're inside but it's Christmas," it adds a touch of humor to your drinking experience. The white snowflakes and snow accents further enhance the seasonal charm. Raise a toast with this one-of-a-kind beer pint and let the holiday spirit flow.